EasyLift equipment ergonomic drum transporters are the safe and ergonomic solution for picking and transporting drums from the floor or a pallet. EasyLift equipment has developed an extensive line of ergonomic drum transporters since our original model was awarded a U.S. patent in 1997. Seen here is our EL Ergonomic Drum Transporter with DC-powered lift, which is available in 600, 800, or 1,000 pound capacities based on the adjustable leg configuration. Featuring two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries, this 24-volt system is capable of lifting drums up to several hundred times between charges. Both the EG1 single clamping mechanism and EG2L double clamping mechanism are available for this drum transporter. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator. Optional scale systems are also available for this model, thus permitting the operator to verify drum weights or perform inventory. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. Using the master disconnect switch, turn the unit on. Before proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator, consisting of switches for lifting and lowering. It should be noted that rate of descent will be slower without a load, as seen here. To charge, simply ensure the drum transporter is turned off and plug in a polarized heavy gauge extension cord. The drum transporter seen here features our DC-powered lift system, which is powered by two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries, which are housed in a closable cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, master disconnect switch, and a gauge-type battery discharge indicator. The internal charger uses a standard 120-volt outlet on the side of the DC cabinet. A polarized heavy gauge extension cord is required, which connects the unit to a wall outlet. Charging times range between 6 and 8 hours. Do not operate the unit while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so could cause damage to the unit. The charger has separate indicators for each battery, which turn green once complete to ensure a full charge. Once charged, unplug the extension cord and turn the unit on. Once testing is complete, disengage the foot floor lock and begin application. All EL ergonomic models require the operator to place or remove drums from the corner of a pallet. It is recommended to apply slight forward pressure as you raise the clamp to ensure a secure grip. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting the drum to its destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Darcore ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. All EL models are capable of lifting the drum to a minimum of 20 inches for placement on pallets, floor scales, or containment pallets. We offer additional lift height options to elevate drums as high as 72 inches above floor level. Contact EasyLift Equipment for more details. Alternate powered options are also available when DC powered equipment is not permitted. These include manual foot pump, pneumatic air tank, or AC powered. Standard models are steel construction with safety yellow powder coating for durability, optional FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction are available for food and pharmaceutical applications. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift chains. Additional options include scale systems for verifying weight or performing inventory, as well as a handbrake option. When operation is complete or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down foot floor lock. Our ergonomic step-down foot floor lock is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the transporter is not in use. Leaving the transporter unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. Seen here is the drum transporter using both the EG1 single clamping mechanism and the EG2L double clamping mechanism. The EG1 single clamping mechanism is primarily designed for steel, plastic, and fiber chimed drums. The EG2L double clamping mechanism is capable of gripping most steel, plastic, and fiber chimed drums as well, but is recommended when handling very heavy plastic or fiber chimed drums or steel drums with the lids removed. There is a specific procedure for clamping fiber drums, which includes adjusting the fiber drum guards of the EG2L into the forward position. Please consult the manual for the best method for handling fiber drums. Switching out clamping heads is an easy process consisting of first, removing a circle cotter pin and a single stainless steel retaining pin and lifting the head up and out of the mast. Next, removing the circle cotter pin and stainless steel retaining pin from the new head and installing it into the mast, lowering it to the desired position. Finally, reinstalling the stainless steel retaining pin and circle cotter pin and securing the clamping head into place. The clamping head is also adjustable to handle shorter height drums by removing that same stainless steel retaining pin and raising or lowering the clamp position on the mast accordingly. Rate of descent is controlled by the flow control valve. Without a load, the clamp will lower at a slower rate. The flow control valve is to control the speed of lowering with a drum, which is factory preset and should not be adjusted without consulting EasyLift equipment. DC-powered lift models are also a good solution for high-volume drum handling or lifting drums to higher elevations. Having two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries, this 24-volt model can lift drums up to several hundred times between charges. When finished, always place the drum transporter in a safe location. Lower the clamp, engage the step-down foot floor lock, and turn the unit off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day free trial program for first-time buyers. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.